Hello everyone. Next topic is binary search. If I want to search an element from an array list using binary search, the condition is all the elements present in an array should be in sorted manner, either in ascending order or in descending order like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so it should be in sorted manner. Now let's see the working of binary search. If I want to search an element using binary search, first of all you have to store two values. First, that is first index, last, that is the last index. In my case, first value is 0 and last value is 8. Now, second thing is you have to find out the middle element. Okay, how to find out the middle? Equal to, this is the formula, first plus last divided by 2. In my case, it is 0 plus first is 0, last is 8 and divided by 2, that is middle value is 4. Okay, so this is my middle element. So now if you want to search, let's say you want to search the element 20, as you know the list is sorted, you know that 20, you have to compare 20 with 50. Okay, 20 is less than 50, so now there is no point to search at the right hand side. As you know the list is sorted, so you have to first compare 20, that is your searched element, with the middle element. If your searched element is smaller than the middle element, start searching in the left hand side. And if your searched element, let's say 80, if your searched element is greater than your middle element, you have to search towards the right hand side. So in any case, we have to compare our searched element with the middle element. Let's say our searched element is present at the middle element, then we have to stop our search. Okay, this is the first scenario. Second scenario means the searched element is greater than middle element, then in that case we will start searching towards the right hand side. That means we have to again split our list into two parts, that is to the right hand side. So we, in that case, we have to split our list like this. We have to search towards the right hand side because our searched element is greater than the middle element. So there is no point to search towards the left hand side. Our new list is now this. So that means we have to update our first variable. That is now first is not 0, it is now 5. And last is same as 8. That means we have to use this formula in case our searched element is greater than middle element, then the formula will be, that means the first will be first equal to middle plus 1, because middle value is 4, so now first is 5 and last is same as 8. Okay, if our searched element is less than middle element, that means we have to search towards the left hand side. In that case, we have to ignore this part. We have to split our list into two parts, and the new list is now this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in that case, we have to update our last, not first, because first is same as 0, and now we have to update our last variable. Now the last variable should be last equal to middle minus 1, because middle is what? Middle is 4. So now the last element should be last equal to middle minus 1. That means last element is 4 now. Okay, so if I get the searched element at the middle element, there is no need to split your list. You have to stop your search and return the searched element at the index value, that is middle value. Okay, second scenario is search is greater than middle. If the search is greater than middle, you have to split your list into two parts and again find out the middle element. Again apply the same technique, and also you have to update first and last index. So first index in that case should be first equal to middle plus 1. So in my case 4 plus 1, that is 5. And if the search element is smaller than the middle, you have to search towards the left hand side and update the last value, that is middle minus 1. In my case middle is 4, so middle minus 1 is 3, so last should be 3. So the new list is now 0 to 3. Now again you have to find out the middle element, that is 0 plus 3 divided by 2 and so on. Let's discuss the program now. This is an array with elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I have to declare these variables. So I have declared these variables first, last, middle, search. Initially they are empty. Then the line will be printed, enter a number you want to search. Let's say I have entered the number I want to search from this list is 40. Okay. Now first equal to 0, as I have said that first index should be 0 and last index should be your last index according to your array. So first should be 0 and last is 4. That's what I have written in this code also. First is 0, last is 4. Then according to this working, we have to find out the middle element using this formula. So that's what I've written in this code also. Middle equal to first plus last divided by 2. So let's find out the value of middle. First is 0, last is 4. So 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So middle value is 2 because middle is in integer. So we have to take the integer value only, that is 2. Now let's start searching using binary search. That means first of all we have to compare our searched element with the middle element. As we know, the middle element is present at the index number 2. So middle a of 2, array of 2 is what? 30. So our middle element is 30. We have to compare our searched element with 30. Okay, so according to the code, let's discuss this. While first is less than equal to last, what is the value of first? This is 4. 0 is less than or equal to last, it is 4. This condition is true. That means we can enter into this loop. Now inside the loop, we have if statement. If array of middle, what is the value of middle? It is 2. If array of 2, what is array of 2? This is 30. Array of 2 is 30. 30 is less than search. Search means 40. The element I want to search is 40, so 40. 30 is less than 40. This condition is true. That means if your search element is greater than middle element, what we have to do is, if your search element is greater than middle element, you have to start searching towards the right hand side. So for this, you have to update your first equal to middle plus 1. Okay, you have to split your list into two parts and you have to update first equal to middle plus 1 in case your search element is greater than middle. So in this code also, if array of middle is less than your search element, that means your search element is greater than the middle element, you have to split your list. That means you have to start searching towards the right hand side. So you have to split your list into two parts. So for this, we have to update first equal to middle plus 1. What is the value of middle? 2 plus 1. So first is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So first is no more 0 now. First is 3 now. First is 3. Okay. So your list will be like this now. This is your new list now. First is 0, 3 and last is 4. Okay. You have only two elements in your list now. Now we have to skip this else if part and else part, and now again we have to repeat this technique of binary search. That means the new list is 3 and 4 index 40 and 50. This is my new list. Again I have to find out the middle element using the same formula. So that's what I have written in this code also. So if condition is true and this part is executed, we have to skip these parts. Okay, now we will again find out the middle element. Middle equal to first plus last divided by 2. Now what is new middle? What is the value of first? 3. What is the value of last? 4. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 7 divided by 2. It should be 3 because middle is integer value. So the new middle is 3 now, not 2, it is 3 now. 7 plus 4, 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3. Integer value we have to take. So new middle is 3 now. Okay. Now again we have to go to the while loop. Okay. Again while loop will be used. So new first is 3. 3 is less than or equal to last. What is last? Last is 4. Again this condition is true. We can move inside the while loop. Now again inside the while loop we have to find out, we have seen that there is if condition. Again if array of middle, what is array of middle? New middle is 3. Array of 3 is what? 40. 40 is less than search. What is the value of search? 40. This condition is false. So we will not execute this part. We will move to the else if part now. If array of middle, what is array of middle? Array of 3 is 40. If 40 equal to search, yes, search value is also 40. So 40 equal to 40. So now this condition is true. Printf number found at location. What is the value of middle? 3. Okay. So number found at location 3. So now we will get our element in the list at the location number 3. If in case our searched element is less than the middle element, we have to start searching towards the left hand side. And for this, we have to update our last, that is middle minus 1. In this case, if our search element is less than middle, last equal to middle minus 1. If our search element is greater than middle, you have to update your list with first equal to middle plus 1. And if you find out the first search element at the middle position only, there is no need to split your list. You can just get the location of the middle. Okay. So I hope this program is clear now. Let's run this program. So enter a number you want to search. Let's say 40. So number found at location 3. You can take the screenshot of this program now. Thank you so much, everyone.